Hey y'all, what's up? Thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today is a color contact review from ICOICE, and thank you so much ICOICE for sending over these contact lenses. So today's lenses are not prescription. I do use prescription lenses, but I totally forgot to request them. The brand does offer prescription. I just have the regular ones. So this is the packaging that it comes in. I love how natural and recyclable the packaging is. I love the little boxes and all the information. So I love the packaging on this company. So you do get a lot of goodies with your order. You do get a tweezer and a contact sticker. It kind of helps you to put the contacts in your eyes, and the tweezer helps you to remove them. I don't use these, but you can use them. And then it comes with these cute little contact cases. You screw off either side and put each contact on either side. I thought this was so genius. It's so cute and innovative, and I just really love that. And this is what the contacts come in. On the outside of the box, it tells you what color the contacts are. The inside shows you the contacts and your prescription if you have one. So this first set of lenses is called Dawn Brown, and these ones are like a grayish shade. This color is a little bright for me. I'm not sure that I would rock this one, but if your eyes are a little lighter than mine and your skin may be a different complexion than mine, you might actually really love these. I think they are very stunning, but not necessarily for me. The next color is Smoky Latte Brown. Now this one is a little deeper and richer, and I definitely like this shade a lot better. You can see it against my natural eye. It's not such a stark difference. And then when I put both of them in, I think it really is a very pretty shade of brown. This next shade of color contacts is Russian Brown. And as you can see, this is a beautiful shade of brown. It's almost a greenish brown on my eyes. I absolutely love this color. This one is a winner for me. And next up, we have the shade Petal Brown. This shade is more of a grayish brown, almost like an auburn or light pale brown. I think this shade is absolutely beautiful as well. It's a little striking. It's a little bit much. I may not wear it out, but I think it's beautiful for photos and for video. This next one is Hydrocor Avella. This shade is very subtle. It's almost just like a tint color, and I thought that was pretty too. It's very subtle. This next one is called Queen Chocolate. This shade is perfection, okay? It's literally your eyes, but better. Just slightly a tint of brown. It just glints in the sun. This shade is an everyday color for me. And that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you share this video, share it with a friend, share it with a color contact lover, share this video with your mama. Peace.